Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. So I'm going to go ahead now and open my WeChat app right here. I'm going to click on that. After you open up your WeChat app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the contact that you send money to. Go ahead and click on you have made a transfer. Go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Go ahead and click on help and feedback. Then you'll be taken right here. Then go ahead and click on here. And you will be taken right here. Here are two tips you need to take into consideration if you send money to a wrong account. If the person have not received the fund, consider to negotiate the return and refund it back to into your WeChat wallet. But if they have received the fund, you have to engage in legal service. You have to contact WeChat team support to fix the problem for you, and you will eventually get your money back if your evidence are genuine. It's that simple. So this is how to get your money back if you eventually send money to a wrong account on WeChat wallet. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.